This is Richard Kung, President and Founder of ergoBe, and you are watching ergoBeTV. Today, we're going to talk about how curiosity killed the copycat. Have you ever had to copy documents from, let's say, a stack of papers to the computer? Possibly if you do data entry. Maybe you're an analyst, or an administrative assistant, or potentially an engineering design. And so you're always taking papers and transferring information back to the computer. Or maybe you've got some notes and so you're fixing a document. The problem is when you have limited space. What happens? You put your paper in front of you, beside you, and as a result you may find yourself twisting your neck, particularly to the side, or hunching it up or down. Now, while the act of moving the neck is not problematic, it's the act of doing it over and over and over again that causes the problem. And so the issue is, well, if you turn your neck to the right side, you're going to be pulling the muscles on the left side, and vice versa. And so what happens is you have this constant turning, particularly if you have your documents, let's say, to the right or left at a 90-degree angle. And so you find yourself twisting down, up, down, constantly all day long, back and forth, day in, day out. Some people end up developing problems, particularly on the side that gets pulled constantly. What can you do to prevent that? There are several things you can do. Solution number one, try bringing your documents closer to you. If you have it far out to the side, try moving it next to your computer or in front of you, if possible. Therefore, to minimize the amount of unnecessary neck bending, up, down, left, right. 2, you can try to use a document holder. Now, document holders I like to group into 4 different types. The first, the regular, traditional, fixed angle document holder. This is what you usually think about when you think of a document holder. It just sits with a fixed angle. If you try to put it in front of your computer, it may get in the way of your screen, and so that might not be too useful, but you can still set it off to the side. 2, you can try using a clip-on document holder. These are ones that clip on, particularly to the screen or monitor, and hangs off to the side. These are useful as they put the document right at the same level as your monitor. The problem is, you can usually only clip so many documents at a time. Also, if you need to make any annotations, that can be challenging as well. There are egg-style or egg-shaped document holders, little egg-shaped document holders that sit right on your desk. These are very handy as they take up minimal space, but they usually only can hold so many documents as well. Plus, trying to write in thin air can be challenging at times. Finally, we go to my favorite, or number 4, the inline document holder. These not only have the ability to adjust the angle, but the depth of your document holder. This is very useful, especially as it allows you to be able to put your document holder right in front of you and angle it such that you don't block your screen. Also, if you find yourself getting glare from overhead, you can also change the angle to remove and eliminate the glare. So it's also very useful, let's say if you're working on a table that has a keyboard tray. The great thing about it is that you can extend your inline document holder over your table surface, giving you even more room to work with. So using a document holder will allow you to place it in front of you and mitigate that unnecessary repetition of the neck. So therefore you pretty much eliminate the strain right there. Finally, you can always take a break. Take a break by getting up every hour and stretching the neck out. So if you're stretching it constantly to the right side, try stretching it to the left side. This will help to minimize the strain on the particular muscle by shifting the weight and strain in a different direction. Give that a try and I guarantee your neck will thank you later. Many people suffer from this problem. Make sure you're not one of them. So that's it for this tip on Curiosity Killed the Copycat. I'm Richard Kung, and you're watching ergoBeTV. If you like this, please be sure to click the like button below, and we'll see you next time.